What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Real quick video here. I had to stop at the bank, and Greg told me he was going to come up here and meet me up here. You guys know this is his C8 Corvette. Let me turn the camera around to get you the proper angle here. There we go. So again, this is Greg's C8 Corvette. You guys have seen this on Tuesday nights up at Solon Commons. As you saw right here in the beginning of the video, he got a new hood. He said he doesn't like this one though because of the gaps. Said the gaps are too big on the hood, and there was an expensive hood within itself. This is a ZR1 hood, and you guys know Greg's Corvette is a Stingray, but he is modding it to look like a ZR1 with the ZR1 high wing. This is fully carbon fiber back here. You guys know he's added some stuff in the engine bay, those stacks right there. He's added his diffuser back here, and he has also added the side skirts and the front splitter. So this thing is coming along just fine here, and again, it is starting to look like a ZR1 Corvette. You guys know the ZR1s were just released about a month ago now. Everybody's trying to put their orders in to get a ZR1. Obviously the people that can afford it, steep price, but this is your second option basically of what you want to do if you love ZR1's looks, the C8 version of course, but don't want to pay the high price. You can mod it to look like the ZR1, but again, obviously it won't have the engine of a ZR1 or the rim packages or the brake packages of a ZR1, but you can upgrade those things obviously, of course, with mods. Everybody with C8 Corvettes are still kind of somewhat waiting on different engine mods that you can do to up the horsepower with these things, but again, that comes with obviously a Stingray versus Z06, and then now the ZR1s with that over 1,000 horsepower video that I put out for you guys. So those things are putting down massive power with the rear mid-engine, as we call it, but it's a rear engine, but technical terms here is the mid-engine. But real quick here, appreciate you guys watching the video. I will see you guys here shortly in about 2 months. I'm going to be taking a break from YouTube. Wife is having a baby, so I'm going to be out for a while, but I just want to make sure I get a couple videos out to you guys real quick here before the season ends. So thanks for watching, appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.